Hi guys, and welcome back to your channel Management with Merit. Manage to prosper. Last session we finished the step of developing effective business model as per our book, our second book of the channel, Entrepreneurship 2012. We were actually using the next copy of the book, the 5th edition 2016. Well, for today we're going to the next task, which is industry and competitive analysis. Well, time will not be enough to discuss both of them, which are industry and competitive analysis, so we'll just do industry analysis. Regarding industry, we have discussed this topic a lot. It is simply the group of companies, customers and buyers who share or who produce the same products or services, or even similar products or services. So this is called the industry. So when a new company competes within an industry, it doesn't compete alone. Well, it competes within a community, within a business community. So that's why it's quite important for all new businesses to understand well the industry at which they're working at, the characteristics of this industry, the pros and cons of the industry, and try to forecast the future of that industry. There are actually two primary key questions when studying the industry, which are, is it a nice idea to enter this industry or not? So if the answer is yes, you can go to the next question. If the answer is no, so you have to simply leave the industry and look for something else. The second question will be, am I able, if I enter this industry, to develop an amazing business model at which it will be difficult for the competitors to copy, so I can compete favorably with at least one competitive advantage? So to conduct a good industry analysis, there are two methods that the book provides, which are, first, the environmental trends of the industry. And it means all the trends that we have discussed before in previous lessons, the social, technological, economical, whatever, in addition to the business trends itself. Are they in favor of that industry or moving away from that industry? So this will give you an idea regarding the attractiveness of the industry. Then the second method is a method developed in 1980 by Michael Porter, which is called the 5 industry forces of Michael Porter. These 5 industry forces are quite important for the industry because they have strong effect on it. The forces are the threat from similar products or services. It means, are their products or services are similar to the ones which the industry will provide? From a different industry, can the customers leave the industry completely and go to different products or services from a different industry? And then two, the threat of new entrants, the new companies that can open in the industry. And then the rivalry among current businesses or companies in the industry. Is it extremely strong or not? And then the bargaining power of the suppliers within the industry. And finally, the bargaining power of the buyers. It means the companies in the industry who deal with the suppliers. So understanding these forces and the amount at which they affect the industry is quite important. So both current and new businesses can develop strategies or amend their strategies depending on these forces or on these effects. So upon studying the industry analysis using both methods, the new company can move ahead to the competitors analysis, which will be discussed in the new session, the next session, next Thursday. That's all right, guys. Thank you so much for watching us. Our production is every Thursday. Please stay with us, subscribe to the channel on YouTube, and activate the notifications bell. Stay with us, participate with us, and support us. Share the channel and all its electronic platforms in YouTube and the electronic website manwim.com, email, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks so much for watching us. See you next Thursday, and goodbye.